Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the series, The Roadmap to Becoming a Doctor. In today's lesson, we are touching on college and the pre-med journey. So, prior, we talked about high school and laying that foundation, and now we're touching on college, the pre-med journey, what that might look like, and what it might entail in order to prepare for a successful application to medical school. So, in terms of college, this is a good time to really focus on strong academics. Yes, you want to prioritize having a really good GPA and excelling in the required pre med courses like biology, chemistry, physics, biochemistry, all of the things that will really help you set up for success when you go to medical school and have to then prepare for the MCAT, for the application to medical school, but also for all of the exams in medical school, including step one and step two. You should definitely know when to ask for help and take advantage of tutoring and office hours, especially for things that are challenging to you. You can always learn as long as you seek out help. Now, college is also a really great time to start gaining clinical exposure, figure out whether medicine is the right career pathway for you. But also, if you do figure it out, it is great in terms of setting yourself up for applications. So, starting to volunteer or work in clinical settings like hospitals, nursing homes, clinics, and also really trying to seek out shadowing opportunities to learn from physicians. What does their day to day look like? You can also start engaging in research opportunities and medicine. We're always trying to innovate, to learn, to provide better patient care. And so, engaging in research can be a good opportunity to understand the research process, whether you join a research lab or on existing research projects. This is a great time to start developing your analytical and scientific skills and just understanding what it takes and what goes into starting a project from scratch and then finishing it. And you do want to aim to have consistent research experience that deepen your knowledge in a particular subject. So you want to show long-term dedication to something specific and not bounce around between 10 different projects. Additionally, you want to build meaningful extracurricular activities like joining pre health clubs like Alpha Epsilon Delta, which is focused on pre medicine, or other organizations on campus that really interest you, as long as you can show that you are taking on leadership roles and showing a commitment that demonstrates that you are a good team member and you're able to work in a team, because again, medicine is a team career. Now, towards the latter half of college, you should start preparing for the MCAT. You want to start preparing as early as possible and create a study plan that spans several months. So, if you are working or taking full time courses as a student, you may need a lot more time in terms of months to prepare for the MCAT. Whereas, if on the other hand, all you have is time for the MCAT and you're not working and maybe you're taking part time classes, then you might have a lot more time to dedicate to MCAT preparation on a day to day basis. You want to really figure out the best study materials, what prep courses you want to utilize, what practice exams, and what study resources. You want to develop strong relationships with professors during college and other mentors, maybe research faculty. You want to find good mentors and secure meaningful letters of recommendation from people that know you, and you can do that by attending office hours, participating actively in classes, and really trying to build more of a personal relationship with your employers, with your professors, with your mentors, so that they can get to know you on a personal level. You also want to start demonstrating community involvement and service, whether you're engaging a specific type of volunteer work, maybe you're interested in underserved areas or populations, but really it's just showing commitment to helping others, helping people beyond the clinical setting, and do what interests you. If you want to work in a soup kitchen, that's great. If you want to help teach others English, or if you want to literally do anything that helps others that you are passionate about. But overall, college is a great time to stay organized and plan ahead, make sure that you are aware of application timelines and requirements for medical school, and start getting used to using things like planners or digital tools to help you stay on top of deadlines and prerequisites, because this is a great time to build these skills before you enter medical school. And with that, thanks for tuning in, everyone. I want to welcome you to Premed Academy. If you're looking for more individualized support, we help pre-med students get into their dream med school through low-cost education. We have fantastic self-paced interactive courses, experienced mentors who are experienced medical students and resident doctors, and an overall supportive community that will help you get into your dream med school. If you're interested in joining or learning more, check out the link in the description below.